Hi friends, so this is Arcade from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to use collaborative Apple Music playlists on iPhone and iPad. In iOS 17.3 or later, Apple had introduced a pretty cool feature called collaborative Apple Music playlists. With collaborative playlists, Apple now lets you take any of your existing playlists or create a new one and then invite others to join in to add songs and listen to it. That's it, let's get started. First and foremost, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone or iPad. Then make sure that the Library tab is selected. Then choose Playlists. Next up, tap on New Playlist. After that, give your playlist a suitable name and then add a photo if desired. Then tap on Create. From here, you can either begin adding music to the playlist or start inviting other users to it. Next up, tap on the round icon that looks like a person in the upper right corner of the user interface. If you want to approve collaborators, tap on the switch. Otherwise, anyone with the link will be able to join. Then tap on Start Collaborating. After that, tap on the Share link using one of the options in the Share sheet. Note that links are valid for 7 days, and once someone has joined the playlist, they can begin contributing to it. If at any time you want to view participants, remove someone, or copy the playlist link again, simply tap on the icon now made up of 2 people. You can also use this very menu to generate a QR code to let people access the playlist, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can enable and use Apple Music collaborative playlists on your iPhone and iPad. Now that you know how this cool feature works, make the most of it to enhance your Apple Music experience. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.